In this video, I will quickly show you how to deploy a project using AWS Amplify. First, go to your AWS account and search for the Amplify service in the dashboard. Then click New App and select the Host Web App option. Now connect the repository where your project is stored, such as GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Next, choose the repository and the branch that contains your project code. AWS Amplify will automatically detect the build settings for your project. You can also review the configuration and adjust the build commands if needed. After that, click Deploy and wait while Amplify builds and publishes your project. When the process is finished, Amplify will generate a public link where your project will be available online. If you want, you can also connect a custom domain directly from the dashboard. Every time you update the repository, Amplify can automatically deploy the new version. This makes it easy to keep your project updated without repeating the process manually. And that's it. Now you know how to deploy a project using AWS Amplify easily. Save this video so you can check it later if needed.